Hi, good morning children. Today I am going to teach you the second lesson. Second lesson, what is the name of the lesson? The bubble, the straw and the shoe. The bubble, the straw and the shoe. We are going to learn about the bubble, the straw and the shoe. It's a story. Let's see. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. Once upon a time, there are three friends. A bubble, the straw and the shoe. One day they went to the forest. Where did they go? One day they went to the forest. They came to the river. They did not know how to cross it. In the forest we will see trees, rivers, everything. And now they have to cross the river. They don't know how to cross the river. Do you know how to cross the river? They also don't know. They also don't know how to cross the river. Who? The bubble, the straw and the shoe. They don't know how to cross the river. The shoe said, who said? Shoe. Shoe said, bubble, let us float on you. Bubble will float on the water. We all know that bubble floats on the water. Shoe said, let's float on you. No shoe. Let straw stretch himself from one bank to another bank. Lake means it is like this. From one bank to another bank. No, I am not going to do that. Now I want straw to stretch himself. Who are three friends? Bubble, straw and a shoe. Bubble, straw and a shoe. Bubble said, first shoe said, bubble float on the water. We want to cross the river with you. But bubble said, no shoe. Let straw stretch himself from one bank to another bank. Straw has to stretch himself from one bank to another bank. Now bubble, what do they do? How do they cross river? Let's see. Straw, you stretch yourself, then we will cross the river. The bubble said. So the straw stretched himself. Okay. Straw said, okay, I will stretch myself from one bank to another. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. Bubble cannot take the weight of the shoe, and it broke. Actually, he is ready to help others, but when shoe has jumped, who has jumped? When shoe has jumped, but straw, when shoe has jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe into the water with a loud splash. The bubble shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. That means now first of all shoe want to cross. Shoe asked the help of a bubble. Bubble said, no, I will not do. Ask straw to stretch. Now okay, straw is ready. Straw is a good-hearted person and ready. Okay, straw stretched himself. The shoe jumped, but the straw has broken, and it broke the shoe into the water. The shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. If you jump into the water, the sound comes. Correct? In the same way, the shoe jumped into when the shoe jumped on the shoe, it fell into the water with a loud splash. The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. That means he was laughing like anything. The bubble was laughing like anything. This is the story of these three friends, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. Have you understood this? Okay. You people have come from the UKG. Again I am telling you, you have to spare much time to study, to learn. Don't wait, the teacher will give the homework. You have to learn yourself. Take a little bit. Learn meanings today and opposites tomorrow. Like that. You divide yourself and learn little by little, because everything cannot be done in one day. I am giving the work, but the homework also you try to do yourself. I will give, I know that. But you also try. With this, we have completed the syllabus. Syllabus for unit test. Unit test 1. If you are ready, then you can write the exam. If you are not ready, then what will you do? You have to practice at home a lot. 2 lessons and 2 poems. It is very easy. Just it's a matter of studying meanings, opposites, singular, plural. Already you know the singular, plural forms, and question and answers. Question and answers I don't give much. One or two or three. That's it. And this part and this is very easy. And textbook grammar, it is very little. If you are perfect with the CW only, I think it is enough. But little bit textbook grammar part also I want. And what you are doing at home, you might be enjoying. I know, I accept, I agree all those things. Do it, but learn at least 2 to 3 hours. Take one subject. You have 7 days in a week. Take one subject per day and read. Read thoroughly 2 to 3 hours, because unit test is there. Then what do? If you are perfect, then only you can do. And one more thing, I hope all have textbooks. If you don't have, please get it. You have to get the textbook, otherwise what will you do with the CW? If you have CW, it is fine, you are writing. Even textbook also you get for the good marks. You have to get for the good marks. If you have to study textbook and CW also. And if you have any doubt, you can message me. Please don't call me. I may not lift the call. You can message me for any doubts. And almost all the members are not sending me the notes. Very few are sending me the notes. Even I have the list also. Please, everyone, after completing the notes, please send me the notes personally. Okay? Enjoy the day, but learn at least 2 to 3 hours. Only if you will work hard for these 2 weeks, you will be happy for the next week. Understand? Bye bye. Take care.